Hello everyone, this is Pooja Halkarni. Hope you all having a great day. My USN is 2GZ19MB11. My roll number is 33 and I take an immense pleasure to explain you all about my topic. So my topic is intellectual property and I tried covering up what is intellectual property, its history and need for intellectual property. I hope you understand and analyze all the concepts which have been covered in this topic at the end of the video. When we usually come across the word intellectual property, we don't really know what it means. So let us understand what is intellectual property. Intellectual property is any product of human intellect that the law protects from unauthorized use by others. In simple words, if you have created something of your own out of your own consciousness, you can secure it or safeguard that product by getting a right towards it in the court of law. This is intellectual property. Basically, intellectual property is divided or comprised of four categories, which are patent rights, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets. After understanding what is intellectual property, let us understand what are the rights intellectual property consists. So basically, these are the rights issued by Government of India to protect or safeguard the rights of common people within the country. So first right of intellectual property is patent right, like I said or explained in my previous video. What is a patent right? Patent is a legal document granted by government giving an inventor the exclusive right to make, use, and sell an invention for a specified number of years. Patents are also available for significant improvements on previously invented items. Example, telephone. Like we all know, telephone was first introduced by Graham Bell. So he was the only first human on earth to discover something called as telephone. And he did it first, and because he got the telephone patented under the patent rights. So that even if any other human being after him does the invention of telephone, he cannot claim as he is the first human to do it. Because patent right has been given to Graham Bell. After understanding patent rights, let's move forward to copyrights. Copyright Act 1957 governs the subject of copyright law in India. The Act is applicable from 21st January 1958. The history of copyright law in India can be tracked back to its colonial era under the British Empire. This being the history of copyright, let us try to understand what copyright means. Meaning, copyright is a bundle of rights given by the law to the creators of literacy, dramatic, musical, artistic works and the procedures of cinematography, films, and sound recordings. The scope and duration of protection provided under copyright law varies within the nature of protected work. Example, literacy, musical, graphics, sculpture works. So basically, it is the rights given for artistic works like music and sculptures. If you are the first person to do a music or choreograph a dance or choreograph a rhythm, etc., that is related to artistics, you can get yourself copyrighted under the court of law so that nobody who does the same thing after you do it claim it that it was his, because you have already been the first person to do it and you have got a copyright for it. Nobody can copy you after that. Moving forward, let's understand what is trademarks. Trademarks defined under Section 2 of Trademarks Act 1991. This is the history of trademark. So what does trademark mean? Trademark means a mark of capable of being represented graphically, which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of others and may include shape of goods and their packaging, combination of colors. Example, slogans, symbols, or innovative catchphrases or common examples for trademark. So basically, trademarks acts as a USP of a product in a marketing technique or how you advertise it. Like we know, washing powder Nirma. This is a trademark of Nirma. This is a catchphrase Nirma used to sell his products. This is one quick and real example of trademarks. There are many other such examples, and people can also get trademarked under the court of law. Trade secret is the last intellectual property in the slides. So trade secret may refer to a practice, process, design, instrument, or a completion of data or information relating to the business, which is not generally known to public and the owner responsibly attempts to keep it a secret. Example, the secret formula of Coca-Cola, which is locked in a vault. To understand trade secrets better, let us assume your mother is preparing a mutton or any other non-vegetarian dish, and she adds up a secret ingredient or a masala into it to give it a good taste. That secret ingredient or masala makes your mother's non-vegetarian dish very tasty. You will not find the same taste in some other hotel or any of your friends' houses for that matter. So the same trade secret is being followed by all the companies. Every company has its own trade secrets which they will not disclose. It is very confidential. Hence, all the companies get their trade secrets secured in the court of law. After understanding the rights for intellectual property, let us understand why is this intellectual property so important? What are the needs for it? The needs for intellectual property are, or intellectual rights are, strong and enforced intellectual property rights protects consumer and its families. Strong IP rights help consumers make an educated choice about the safety, reliability, effectiveness of their purchases. Enforced IP rights ensure products are authentic, of the high quality that consumers recognize and experts. These are some of the needs why intellectual property is being so important and should be followed by the people. There are many other rights apart from this. So this is it. Thank you for patient listening. I hope I gave justice to the topic. Please comment down in the comment box about the reviews on this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.